Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can log into your DiceStreams account. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign into your DiceStreams account, firstly go ahead and launch open your DiceStreams application. The home page of DiceStream application will appear on the screen. Here you can sign into your DiceStreams account using your Facebook, or else you can also log in as guest. Select any one of the options. Here I'm gonna go with Facebook. On the next page, tap on continue as, and that's how you'll be able to sign into your DiceStreams account quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.